Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everybody, this is the project I'm sharing with you today. You could call it a little ring box. You could, I don't know, it's just a little box with a book type end. And it's using the new In Color Rococo Rose. And I really love it. I thought it was cute. So I'm going to tie this bow back up. Tying bows with this particular ribbon is not fabulous. But anyway, there you get the idea. So it has these little trinkets on top, and they are called flower faceted gems. I thought they would go perfectly with this. It's pressed Petals designer series paper, and there's the writing part on 3 sides of the box, and then I've left the bottom free and the top and the back get it as well, so of a different colorway. So I'm going to share with you how to make it. It is very, very simple, and today I'm going to use my new trimmer to show off how fantastic it is. So you need a piece of cardstock. This happens to be Rococo Rose, and this piece is sized at 6 by 6, and we are going to score it at 2/4 on all sides. And then another piece of Rococo Rose, this is 2 1/4 by 6 1/2. We're going to score at 2 1/4 and 4 1/4. So I'm bringing out my new trimmer. I'm going to take it for a little ride. So score. The scoring is beautiful on this trimmer. I do not feel that it's going to tear at all, but it did do a very nice job. So, whoops. 2 1/4 and 4 1/4. Perfect. Okay. We're going to fold and burnish all of my score lines on both pieces of paper. Perfecto. All right, I have a pair of scissors here, and I'm going to do the pinwheel technique, which you see I started on the left-hand side, bottom left. I'm just going to turn it right, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom left. And I'm wedging out top and bottom. And you can see what I mean. It kind of looks like a pinwheel. And that's it. So now we're going to take our adhesive. We're going to put a strip of adhesive close to the score line and on the free edge on all. And then on this one, I'm going to not have any adhesive on the top square, but on the second square and the third square, I'm going to go kind of about, I don't know, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch on both sides. I'm going to do 3, and I'm avoiding this little lip here as well. All right, you'll see what I'm going to do in that. I'm going to flip this around, take my first corner here. I'm going to match my free edge with my scored line. Free edge with the scored line. Free edge with the scored line. And tuck that in there. Free edge to the scored line. So here's our little box made and done. You can make sure that the adhesive has stuck. Now, the open part is going to go on the part that has no glue. So I'm going to take the bottom of the box, one side, and I'm going to adhere it right to that score line. And put it down so I have a nice even border-ish on both sides. And then here's the lid. Perfecto. Okay, now, obviously it doesn't close by itself. And so I'm going to have to put some ribbon on it. All right, so I want somewhere in the middle to have 6 inches of adhesive. So here is the middle of the ribbon. Let's see, I'm just gonna put this in half. I have probably a 20-inch long piece of ribbon. This is the dead center. I'm gonna stick the dead center on number 3 right here. And then I'm going to apply adhesive from 1 till 6. You can use tear tape too, that works fabulously. So now, I will wait to apply that shortly. We need several pieces of designer series paper. Again, this is the pressed Petals. The top piece is 2 inches by 2 inches. The side piece is 2 inches by 1 7/8 of an inch. So it's 2 inches this way, 1 7/8 this way. Then I have 3 pieces of 1 7/8 of the Rady type paper. Just to give it kind of like a little vintage feel. I thought it was pretty. All right, there we go. All right, so here's my adhesive. So I find the top of it. There we go. And I'm going to place the sticky part right in the middle. And right in the middle down here. And right in the middle down here. Tie a little bow. I'm going to just trim off the excess of the bow so that it's not too obnoxious. And then, oops, I ended up using this teeny tiny, I think I've used it before, this teeny tiny For You from the Beautiful Bouquet. I quite like this stamp set. I need to use it more. And I'm going to use Rococo Rose. So I used a stitched heart from the Mini Curvy Keepsake. I used the stitch heart. If you don't have this, I would pick it up. I've already used it several times. Loved the little curvy keepsake. I will do a video on it. But it also has all these little tags that you can put on. 2 thumbs up. Cute. So for this one, I used the oval, and for this one, I used the heart. I just hid the holes, the string holes. But anyway, that's my share for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Please subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.